Today, one of our subscribers, welcome to the channel today, from Australia. She's been to Fuji twice now and has fallen in love. She bought this beautiful place here it's got a beautiful little quadrant around here. That'd be a great little area for a barbecue. And it's got a beautiful little area where she can entertain her friends and stuff. We're going to go inside and have a look. And I want to congratulate our subscriber. She's done a beautiful job so far. Basically, our friends are doing the renovations and helping her. And I want to welcome her to Fuji. Rocco is the head supervisor. He's doing all the renovation. He's poured it up.
He hasn't got his hard hat on.
No, so safety first, Rocco. This is the little kitchen sink. And this is where the kitchen's going. So far, look, it's got some beautiful beams. And they're really, really, really good. Then it comes down to, we've got a fireplace that's going to be restored. But it is a beautiful little place. It's perfect for one person. Now, you've seen those old beams. Now you have a look at them. Lynn's fully restored them, filled them up. She's had to put a lot of coats. How many coats did you put on, Lynn? She forgot, dementia. But it's all good. And as you can see, that's coming along. That's the lounge room. Good space for one person. And then we've got that's the bedroom or the workroom. And then we come out to have a look at her view. She's got a beautiful view of the local restaurant. And then what a beautiful view. Nice blue skies here today. So for our subscriber from Perth, congratulations, Marlene.